So guys, the court that I went to recently is the family court. Remember that I told you guys that the grandparents of my child is suing me for parental rights. So recently we went to the family court. Guys, it is so emotionally draining. I won't lie to you guys. It take a lot out of me because to sit there in court and listen to all the lies that the grandparents has to say about me, and to me myself stand before the panel of judges and express myself in French. I mean, it's just nerve-wracking, yeah, because this time around in family court I didn't have a translator, so I have to speak for myself, and I had to speak for myself in French. And when nerves kick in and everything, and to speak in a different language and to find the right word to express yourself, I'm telling you, like, when I came back from court, I was just so drained. And in coming weeks, I am going to have the criminal court. So right now we are busy preparing for the criminal court. And then after the criminal court, I am going to have children court. And these are back to back to back court appearances and court cases. And I'm telling you guys that that's why you guys have not been seeing me, because I'm busy working with my lawyer, trying to get my files ready for these court appearances. And I'm telling you that it is so emotionally draining. And the big thing that even really hurt my heart more than anything else is that from November 2025, I saw my son. Remember that I told you guys that I saw my son in November. And when I saw him in November, he expressed that he would like to stop the visit with me, the supervised visits. But he only wants to stop it after the criminal case is finished, So from that time, I saw him. When he tell me that, I have not seen him again. So today is January 27. So I've not seen my son for Christmas. I have not seen my son since the start of the New Year's, and I'm still just sitting here waiting to know what the social workers then is going to be doing, because like what I said, from him said that in the meeting in November, yeah, social service clamp down on all of the visits them and say, okay, no visits until after the criminal case is finished. So the criminal case is coming up, guys, in coming weeks. And hopefully after the criminal case is finished, whatever happen. Hopefully I'll get to see my son and figure out what he really wants. Figure out if what he said, if he really meant it, if he really meant for us to stop the visit or not. So my son would be working with a psychologist to really, get to the bottom of his feelings, to find out if this is something that he really wants, if this is something that is coming from his heart to stop the visit or what. Currently, the social services, they said that they don't feel like it's coming from his heart, and they do feel like he enjoys the visit with me, but they don't know what is happening. They are wondering if it's because of the stress of the coming criminal case, why he's behaving this way. Like they said, give it time and let's see if we can get to the bottom of it. At the end of the day, I'm not a professional, guys, so I'm trying my best to listen to what the professionals have to say about the whole situation. And the verdict on the parental rights, it will be given in coming weeks as well. So the judges will look over the files and take their decision, and then I'll get the decision by registered mail. So I just hope what I said is enough, because things get heated in the courthouse. Yeah, it really got heated because I mentioned the things that the grandfather had done to the grandmother in the past, and the grandfather got very defensive, very loud, and it got really heated really fast. So the judge had to put a stop to even some of the things then that I was saying, due to the fact that there was a lot of hostility. Yeah, it was really tense, guys. And yeah, we just have to wait and see, and hopefully whatever me and my lawyer put together, the judge would give us a favorable verdict. I don't know, we will wait and see. And yeah, for the criminal charges, guys, I'm literally like nervous because I don't know what's gonna be the outcome of that. And yeah, we just have to wait and see. But I'll update you guys from time to time. When I know I always come, I always update you, I always give you the 100% real thing. As soon as I know what's happening, you guys know what is happening. But yeah, I am keeping myself in good spirit. I'm trying to keep my head up. Stay tuned to the page, because a lot of things is coming up, and I don't know where this is going to lead, but wherever it's going to lead, I'm going to be sure to be documenting every step of the way, every journey, so you guys can get first-hand experience as I am experiencing it too for the first time. Thank you guys for the love and support, and I don't know, respect due to each and every one of you. Oh gosh, I am so appreciative of you guys being here with me. Big up on yourself out there, people. Peace and out. Bye.